I took out my crochet braids and my hair is super dirty, as you can see, but I do not have time to wash it today. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it in a nice little textured bun. This will be like a low manipulation protective hairstyle, and I think it'll also look really nice because I normally don't have my hair this crinkly, so it's kind of like a braid out, effect. So it's giving my relaxed hair a lot of texture, so just kind of like a different look. So I thought that I'd just put it up in a bun. At first I was going to do a ponytail, but I didn't like how it looked just in a ponytail. The bun is definitely going to make it look a bit more fuller. So this is just how it looks with the ponytail. I do not like that at all. So I'm going to go ahead and get my buns. I was trying to see which one would be more appropriate, and I think my hair is long enough for this bigger one. Plus this bigger one is going to make the hair look more full, the bun look more fuller. So I'm going to go with this bigger one here. So basically just the same way I do a normal bun, I fan the hair out around the bun. I get my little elastic, I put it on, and then to make this look a little more voluminous, I'm just gonna like pull the hair out without all the hair coming out. So I'm just, as you can see, I'm just lifting it up where it can just make the bun appear to be fuller. Alright, so the rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch. But let me know down in the comments if you have ever did a braid out on your hair or took your braids down from a protective hairstyle and tried this texture bun look. Let me know down in the comment box. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.